Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2008 Yamaha V Star 1300 Tourer. This cruiser has just under 17,000 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it. This bike is mostly stock, and we'll show you what else was put on it, and then we'll fire it up for you. This larger size touring bike shows clean. Comes with a factory clear tall touring windscreen. Looks like they've put an aftermarket brake pedal. Comes with factory footboards for the driver. Factory lockable luggage, as well as OEM passenger backrest. So the one real accessory that's been put on this bike is a Mustang seat for both the driver and the passenger. And again, footboards for the driver. This bike also comes with a heel toe shifter set up on it. Alright, let's look at the miles here. $16,927 is what's on it. This 2008 V Star 1300 Tourer will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.